Good afternoon. Welcome, NFP Day. Are we crying today? Are we smiling on the way to the bank? Let's find out. Let's find out. It's that time of the day, that time of the week. Liking and subscribing, obviously. Once again, Choppers, I want to congratulate you guys. You just hit 6,000 subscribers on YouTube, man. I can always be grateful to God. This is a new channel and already we have reached the 6K mark. So yeah, well done, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. I'm gonna reduce my mic a bit. All right. Good afternoon, shoppers. Let's just ensure that for the next 5 seconds we are liking the stream. Let's like the stream. Let's like the stream. Let's ensure that we like the stream. Right, can you just mark the register just before we start? Lunabo is in the house. Wise words there by Luna. We say this is the day that the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in this 7 March 2025. You'll never see this day again in your life. That is so true, my friend. That is so true. TDs is in the house. First man on the ball. Good day, Mr. President, and all the choppers in the house. Eugene is also in the house. Good day, President. Mukhawi is in the house. Pule is asking already. Pule, relax, my friend. We'll be with you shortly. Pule is already asking direction for gold. Pule waits no time. Kinos is also in the house. Sesi Corner, Mr. President, choppers are ready to chop NFP. Yes, Sesi Corner, which means we are here. Baze is also in the house. Mukele is in the house. He's saying good day, Mr. President, and the choppers at large. It's NFP Day. Yeah, we are smiling today, right? We should. Caleb is in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Bando is also in the house. Mohau is there. Bongi is also in the house. Glenn is saying, we are smiling. We trust you. Yeah, I'm glad. You have a bit of faith in me, my friend. I'm just glad you have a bit of faith in me. Mukele is saying, at this point, 10K subscribers is closer than before. Mukele, my friend, just remember, just a few months ago, we were just on 2,000 subscribers. We were just on 2,000 and we were just happy. In fact, we were just happy for 1,000 subscribers, man. But yeah, you guys are committed to grow this, right? P saying you are buying oil. So I'm gonna take you through what we did today in the group, my friend. Yes, we've been trying to buy oil since morning with the team. Definitely been trying to buy some oil. We've got Andile as well in the house. Mandla Morris is also in the house. So good to see everybody. May God bless you, and let's do our best today and let God do the rest. We do our best, He does the rest. So yeah, what are we doing? You've already asking me about oil. Fine. Brent crude oil, what are we doing today? Light crude oil, what are we doing today? As you know, my favorite is light crude, right? So somebody sent something in the group, right? So just before I do anything, allow me to take off my face a bit, because I really want us to now concentrate. Let's now concentrate and dive deep into the charts. All right. So this was my take this morning on the group. By the way, guys, just ensure that you attend. This is going to be one of the epic events we're gonna have for the year, right? Capitalize on crypto CFDs, right? It's taking place this coming Monday. If you haven't signed up, there's a link down there. Click on it. Make sure that you sign up for it. It's a free event. It's this coming Monday. So just ensure that you are part and parcel, right, of the event. Right. So P was asking, are you selling gold? No. So this is what I did at what time was this? 9 minutes past 10. I said buying Nasdaq at 20,128, right? But I was not happy with the stop loss, and this is what I said to the group. Not happy with the stop loss price though, late entry, because I was supposed to take it here. In fact, right, I was supposed to take it here, not here. This is a late entry, but however, I took my chances. We are risk takers, but we calculate our risk, right? And Flex said WT high has already triggered our mark. This was at 10:15, right? And Flex said this, and I sent this on the group that we are looking at buying oil, light crude oil at $66.60, and let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. $66. There it is there. So I put this for the group to show them exactly where they can take advantage of oil. So I put this circle for them. There's the circle there. This is the circle I put for them that they can look for buying opportunities at that point, because our mark has already reached, right? So this was our circle. Spot on, man. Spot on. The rejection candle, as you know how we trade, we look for that rejection candle and we take advantage of that. So at this point, we took advantage of the rejection candle. Go all the way to TP, man. $67.32. This is where oil is smashed us out on TP, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. I will also show you what we did with NAS 100. Right. So light crude, guys, this is our daily bread. I told you, you can wake me up at 12 a.m., 1 a.m. and say whatever to me. When I wake up, I'll just say WTI. This thing, man, has made our lives as shoppers easy. Look into trading this, guys. If you want more, you are on the right channel. Stick with us until we finish trading NFP, and let's see how we can assist you guys. All right. So this is how we took advantage of WTI at this price. Went exactly to our TP. This rejection candle, I always preach it to you guys. I always preach it to you guys that look for a rejection candle, take your trade without a doubt, risk reward, nicely placed. We took a buy there and we're good. Right. Now, what happened to our Nasdaq? So unfortunately on Nasdaq, we got stopped out on break even, right? And it's unfortunate. So our buy on Nasdaq was here, right? So this is what I sent on the group. Where is it? There, right? This is what I said. So initially I was supposed to buy it here, but I ended up buying here. It was late, right? So I even said late entry, right? It's late, it's okay. Let's take a risk, right? Let's take a risk, and we took a risk. We took a risk and we bought it here. Okay, we bought it around here. Okay, put our stop loss just below this. But initially, and that's what I always say to you guys, that once you catch price nicely, you're not worried about anything. So what happened was it went our direction, and we ended up closing. Why did we close? Check. One guy in the group asked me this, right? He said, good morning, Choppers and Mr. President. Will you be applying the 2-hour rule? Yes, right? I said to him, yes, sir. Okay. Then I closed it on 2-hour rule. There it is, right? Because if you calculate all this 15 minutes here, you times it by the number of candlestick, you realize that I was in the trade. So remember, when I trade on 15 minutes, I must be in the trade for 2 hours. If I have not smashed my TP within 2 hours, I know something is wrong. I need to come out, right? I know something is wrong. I need to come out. Hence why we came out, and if we didn't come out, it was going to stop us out, right? So we were prepared, we were ready, and we came out on the 2-hour rule. That's when I said there at 12:05. Okay, because remember I took it what time? Check the time here. Check the time. So that then the time of entry was around 10:05. Okay, but when I sent this was 10:09. So at 12:05 we were out of the trade on the 2-hour rule. So yeah, this is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. If you were to ask me if there was no NFP, for example, today, if you were to ask me, Mr. President, if there was no NFP, what would you do? I would still buy Nasdaq today. I would still look at buying Nasdaq today if there was no NFP. So NFP is coming. Obviously, something can happen. Volatility comes in and it can mess up our setups. That's why we don't like having trades running during NFP time, right? So yeah, that's what happened to us today. So yeah, we are good. Break even on NAS 100, TP on WTI. Choppers, if you just join us, please ensure that you like the stream. Like the stream. Like the stream. Okay. Good question from MT saying, did WTI hit TP within 2 hours? So on WTI, very good question by the way, MT. On WTI and Bitcoin, you use your discretion. You can either use the 2-hour rule or not. But on WTI, I don't really care about the 2 hours. Why? Because I've noticed that when we do our own backtesting, we realize that even within 2 hours, this thing can play around and shoot after maybe 2 hours or so. So very good question. On WTI and Bitcoin, so for those of you that are learning, you can write this down. On WTI and Bitcoin, it's fine even if you are not using the 2-hour rule. It's fine even if you are trading after 7 p.m. Because remember our rules, we don't trade after 7 p.m. Central African time, right? But on WTI, I can take a trade after 7 p.m. I can still be in the trade more than 2 hours. All right. So let's do the analysis just before NFP hit. So we're going to do a recap of what we spoke about. Remember, we're streaming on Wednesday. So let's do a recap of what we spoke about, right? So gold is currently trading at $2,919 an ounce. And this is what we had said on Wednesday, that you can buy gold. Again, guys, you can always go on the previous streams, right? Check out these things. We don't make this up. So I said to you, was it P? I think it was P. Someone was asking me what's my take on gold. And I said, if gold fails 2,918, look to buy at 2,895. There it is there. There it is. That's where you can reload. Okay. So where are we now? We are currently trading at 2,900. If I were you and I was looking to take advantage of gold, patience is key, my friend. Wait to break above the $2,800 an ounce mark. Then you can go to the upside. Right? If you want to buy, right? So anything that will be trading between this, right? And I'm going to ask you guys to give me a clean, to have a clean chart on this. Anything that is in between this, chances are you might be trapped. Because think about it. If you took a trade from Tuesday, right? And your TP, let's say it's at 3,000. Because currently now we have a lot of people that have their TP at 2,950 and 3,000 mark, right? So if I were you, what I was going to do was wait to break above, retest, and go to the upside. Because if you took a buy on Tuesday and your TP is here, you are trapped by now. Okay, if you took your buy here and you're like, my TP is here, right? Practical example. Chances are you are still trapped. This thing is still moving in the side direction. So the easiest way to tackle this, break, retest, then go to the upside, right? That's how I'm going to tackle gold, right? So right now I'm consolidating. Fixed range volume, I'm well above it. If I trade below it, then I can go to the downside. But again, 2,897, then I can look to go to the downside if that happens. Okay, so I would say let's safely be on the sideline on gold and see what happens during NFP, then we can take it from there. NAS 100, we just had a look at it now. We are still bullish on it, right? Still bullish on Nasdaq, but NFP can easily take this thing down and make a new low, right? NFP can easily do this, but let's be on the sideline again. We're gonna wait for NFP to hit, then we're gonna make proper decisions from there. German. All these drawings that you see here, it was a demonstration that we had on Wednesday, showing you guys that you can easily tackle. By the way, guys, let's keep the suggestions coming. I told you last week that, on Wednesday, that we can have what we call a DAX week, right? Where in the morning we're gonna only focus on DAX, and then in the afternoon we can focus on many assets, right? But we can only focus on DAX in the morning, so we call it the DAX week. Let's try to implement that, because also this thing, man, it's just giving us a lot of good opportunities. Right? So what happened on Wednesday was we wanted to buy this thing at 22,819. We missed it there, couldn't get a rejection candle. Wanted to reload again at 22,927. We didn't get that. Now I remember Sis Nontlanta saying we could have caught this on 5 minutes, of which I agree with her. But I don't like a lot of you guys, especially that are starting out in trading things like German, to go lower to a 5 minutes time frame, right? Maybe 15 minutes is better. Okay, so we missed it 2 times. However, today I would say we have a key significant area at this level. Beautiful setup here on DAX. Already we had an impulse correction at this point. Rejection candle, guys, like I always say, now I'm just in love with these rejection candles at key significant areas. Break, retest, nice one there, right? Just gonna put an alert at 23,000. One could be asking, Mr. President, at this level, will you be selling it at this level? No, my friend, this is what I'm gonna look for. Then overall sell. Then I can either buy here, take advantage of this price here from this 22,967 to 23,100. Then I can drop to the downside. So that's my take on DAX. It's already down by 1%. Good to see. It's good to see that it's down already by 1%. So overall movement can be, we're still gonna go to the downside. All right, euro dollar. Now euro dollar again, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is not being waiting for anybody. We broke, retested. Are you thinking that we're gonna make a new low? Now this is going to be quite interesting. I think I'm gonna vouch for a strong dollar. I think I'm gonna vouch for a strong dollar today. I don't know, what's your take? As much as it's weak now, but I think NFP might give us a strong dollar. Why? Break, retest, retail traders are solely committed here. And this is what you might find. Stop losses being taken out, then you have your overall movement there. So this pips here, we need to eat out of it. 50 pips up for grabs, choppers. We need to decide what we do there. That's my take on euro dollar. All right, British pound, USD, same thing as well. That's what I'm saying. I'm vouching for a strong dollar. What we see is that we're gonna have retail traders break, retest. They will buy, and you find that this is going to happen. Get stopped out, then move their direction. So again, let's see how many pips we can take advantage of. Around 50 pips also on cable. Then we can exit, maybe at $1.28. Then make decisions from there. All right. So that's my take on British pound USD, AUD USD. So as you know that we've been trying to get, I think it was on 15 minutes, but either way, it has already passed. Just want to see it on a higher time frame. Just want to make sense of this. Right, again, 62 cents. Do you guys think it will hold? Maybe it might not. If we are vouching for a strong dollar, we might see ourselves breaking below this. So this is how we can tackle this. Check this out. So we break below our POC level, fixed range volume. POC level is at 62 cents. Break retest, then we can still go to the downside on AUD USD. Bitcoin, those of you who took a buy from Monday, you are out now. Smash TP nicely, man. This was a beautiful setup, by the way. I told you on Sunday, again, guys, you can always go back to our videos. We don't delete them. Go back to our analysis on Sunday evening. We had an analysis on Bitcoin, and we said, look to buy at 82,350, 82,270. Wait for a rejection candle or indecision. There it is there. Beautiful, beautiful setup, man. Put your stop loss just below the wick there, and we go straight to TP. So yeah, for those of you that took this buy on 4 hours, you are smiling all the way to the bank. Nice, nice, beautiful setup there on Bitcoin. Right, how can we tackle it today? Still, we're going to see if we break above this key level here, 96,000. We can always reload from 96,000. I would say if you didn't take a buy here with us during the week, just be on the sideline. Wait till we break above and retest 95,900. Then you're going to take a buy with us again from there. Okay. So yeah, that's what we have, ladies and gentlemen. I can only wish you the best for NFP. Can I have a clean chart just before we see this NFP hit now? Like I said, my anticipation is this. So I'm just anticipating a strong dollar. But hey, I could be wrong. Those who trade with trend lines might say this is going to give them a third touch to come here. It can also be a possibility that we hit a third touch, then we have that overall drop, right? But I'm just going to say from here, I think we're gonna drop. Okay. But remember, don't commit to a setup as yet. Don't commit to a price as yet. Don't take it. Don't take it, guys. Learn to be patient. If I take a trade here, take it, right? If I don't take a trade and you are not comfortable, but if you know what you are doing, you're more than welcome to take a trade. So that's how I see NFP today, that the dollar for me might be strong, right? But I'm still saying don't commit into setups as yet. All right. Is it Mashane Mojano or Mugano Global is saying, is the group free? Yes, the group is free, my friend. If you want to join our community, it's absolutely free. You just sign up with our sponsor broker and you're good to go. You're good to go. So it's free, my friend. There's the link down below. You can sign up and then just send us a text. Then we're going to add you in the group. Tabang is asking, what's your take on German 30? So yeah, we have already done that, my friend. I think, like I said, this is my take on German right now. All right, I have to be quick with the comments so that we wait for NFP. Is it Housing DJ said today's market direction is straightforward. It wants to. He's asking if he's correct or not. We just had our analysis there, my friend. It's all analysis, but I still respect your analysis. Tis is saying I'm still vouching for DEX 40 week. Yeah, definitely. Someone saying gold is moving crazy. Yeah, something is happening there. Hence, I'm saying to you guys that if you're going to commit on this gold now, before you break above this level here, or you break below this level here, you might be trapped, my friend. It can do this. You'll still be trapped. Okay. All right, so we've got few minutes to go. All right, just before I get into the comments, let's just focus, ladies and gentlemen, on the charts. Let's just get on Forex Factory quickly. We've got like 4 minutes to go. Three minutes, 30 seconds to go. Am I having anybody that is committed in a trade? Anybody committed in a trade? We're going just now. You also have CAD employment change and employment rate also from Canadian dollar. All right. Do you know a song so Wananema tuning? So Wananema tuning. I think we should play that. What do you guys think? I think we should play that song when it's NFP time. Because it's do or die at this point, right? It's do or die. It's do or die. All right, for those of you just joined us, please ensure that you like the stream. Like the stream. Like the stream. Our next NFP will definitely playing that song. All right, so 52% of you are saying buy, 48%, 47% of you, no man, this thing is changing. 54% is saying buy, 46% is saying sell. All right, so we've got more people buying euro dollar than selling it. All right. Okay. Yeah, man. NFP will humble you, man. That's why I don't mess up with these things. NFP will humble you, man. I don't usually mess around with this thing. But like I said, I told you already what I think of what might happen with the NFP. I'm just seeing a strong dollar. I might be wrong, guys. I always leave a room to be wrong. Okay. But again, guys, on the comment section, if somebody's saying buy, sell, and what, please use your discretion. As I told you, don't buy, don't sell as yet. Let's wait for this thing to hit. Right? There it is. Not much impact going on. It's not really much. There it's moving. Let's do a gauge. 25 pips already. Almost up by 1%. $24 pips, not really much. Not really much going on there on NFP. Not really much. Still, I will not be surprised still if we find a strong dollar. I'm still saying we might find a strong dollar today. Because already the impact is not really much. So we might definitely see a strong dollar. I just got an alert on German. We're still trading at $1.08 there on euro dollar. So Nana Ematuni. I hope you're on. I hope where you are now, man. That's what I'm saying. Don't mess around with this thing. Imagine if you bought now this thing now. I'm still saying strong dollar, man. I'm still saying strong dollar today. I think there's a lot of money here. I think there's a lot of money here. But still, even if we find strong dollar, this was a pop NFP. Weak. Not much going on there. For those of you just tuned in now, ensure that you like the stream. Like I said, for those of you that are trading trend lines, this is what we might experience. There's a third touch, then we might see a drop. But yeah, man, there's not much going on this NFP. Let's see British Pound USD. Still, like I said, retail traders at this point are going to buy, maybe trying to make a new low, and you'll find that they might be stopped out until we see this price come at $1.28 or so, and we see it go back to the upside. So yeah, gold again, you would still be inside the box. Not much going on. So we are trading between $2,924 and $2,897 an ounce. Not really much going on. Let's see WTI. Again, this is WTI is not playing around with NFPs and whatnot. It's just doing this thing. You know, if they say an asset minds its own business, WTI. NAS 100. Sure. Like I said, I'm bullish on NAS 100. Upper Mangami. Like I said, if it wasn't for NFP, I was still going to be bullish on NAS 100. The reason why, ladies and gentlemen, again, I like trading like this is that retail traders, they like committing too early. They see this as a retest, they want to make a new low. If you took a buy here and it was not NFP, by now you could have hit your TP nicely so. But still, let's hang on and see where we can take a buy here on Nasdaq to the upside. Not yet ready, by the way. German, as I said earlier on, this was my take. On German, come at this level, drop maybe at 22,000 or so and go to the upside, and we found an overall movement. But yeah, man, it's not really moving. AUD USD, our take on it was if we break below, retest this level here, look for selling opportunities. But as you see that it's still bullish, this thing, right? It's not really much going on. We are having 25 pips or so on it. Bitcoin currently trading at 89,700. I see KG bought Bitcoin. My buys will come from 94,000 going upward. Right. We are now seeing the dollar gaining that strength again. I can see almost up by 1% here on the euro dollar. That strength is coming in again on the euro dollar. But I'm still saying I'm still for a strong dollar today. Just when the session opens, I'm still for a strong dollar. Let's see the heat map so far. Euro quite strong, up against the dollar, up against AUD, the British pound, New Zealand dollar. So yeah, Euro again today strong. Again, we use this to gauge if the decisions that we're gonna make going forward will make sense. If you are looking at selling Euro, you'll be making a big mistake because this thing is strong. This thing is too strong. This thing is just too strong. Dollar still weak, but the session hasn't opened as yet. I'm still saying there's a chance for dollar to regain strength during the course of the trading session today. All right. British pound also, I would say it's neutral. Not much going on there. New Zealand dollar weak. AUD is weak. AUD is weak today. AUD is weak today. NAS 100, we're gonna look where we can jump on this thing. Again, for those that are trading with following the trend, one can see this is a retest and take it from there. But I don't see it like that, and I'm sure most of you guys who are choppers here and understand how we trade don't see it like that. So want to see if we can have a correction forming at 20,186, then we can go to the upside there on NAS 100. As long as I'm below this, it's going to be risky for me to take it to the downside. All right. Just dealt with another clown there. There was another client who wanted my attention. Now I just block you same time. Don't even entertain you. Metallic is asking, hi MJ, hope you're doing well. How did you get the heat map? So, very easy, my friend. Like I always say, don't allow guys to sell this stuff to you. Just go on Google and just write heat map. As easy as that. As easy as that. All right, for those of you just joined us, just ensure that you like the stream. Guys, road to 10,000. I think we can do it. I believe we can do it. I believe we can do it. So I'm going to be bullish on NAS 100. Still remain bullish on WTI. Right, I'm still going to be bullish on WTI, but I need to see if I can get my rejection candle and then hop on this trade. Gold, look at what is happening with gold, man. Still break above, retest back at 2,922. We're good to go. We're good to go for our buy. Looking for selling opportunities only if we break below this level, 2,897 or so. Break retest, then we go to the downside. Yeah, guys, let's give it like 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes candle is coming in now. Then obviously we would have direction of what we're gonna do from here. Euro dollar still trading at $1.08, but I'm still saying I don't think that we're gonna have that strength coming in, man. In the next candle that is coming in, I wouldn't be surprised. In my opinion, I think there's a lot of money piling up here. Break retest, you find a lot of retail traders always buying at this point, right? So I think there's a lot of money here, and before we be bullish, I will want to see this thing take out the money here, then we can have our overall to the upside. Same as British pound USD. Same thing. Like I said, around this area there, maybe that's when we can say we can look for buying opportunities. POC level is at $1.28. Then we can go to the upside from there. What's your take? What are you trading? KG, I know that you are looking at a buy at Bitcoin. Also a buy at what else? Ricoto is selling gold. My stop loss is on break even. I'm safe. How are you doing there, Ricoto? Please update us there, my friend. Siba is saying NAS I see sells. Savo is saying I think NFP is a buy. Let's see. Is he even laughing there? Yeah, it is. Let's check how positive or how negative it is. So obviously now it has to come out as negative once we are seeing that strength coming from the euro dollar. Nothing is updated yet here, but please, if you have the stats, please share them with us. If you have the stats, please share them with us. Scorpion FX is saying buying gold. WTI is also almost up by 2%, but we remain bullish there on WTI. Tabang say, nah, Trump and Elon are messing up with the market. I think gold will... don't want to say it. If I think that what that means. Yeah, another 15-minute candle came in. Let's see. Master Royal say euro dollar and British pound USD will dump. That's also my anticipation, my friend. I think this is over. So we're now trading at $1.08. I think anytime from now we can see that happening. But I'm looking at the money that is piling up here. I'm just looking at the money that is here. So I agree with you there, Master Royal. KG says, Mr. President, I'm already chopping BTC. My target is 92,791. Well done, my friend. As I was saying, you are possibly right. I was thinking about it, that once it reaches $1.29, it might come down. Yeah, look, I think overall movement, we can on a higher time frame see the the weakening of the dollar. But remember, for every buyer there must be a seller, right? So we need to find where liquidity is at this point, right? If one would say, Mr. President, reload more buying opportunities at what price? I would say look at $1.07, because that way you can take your fee from this high, from this low to that high there, and look at your fee is almost lining up with your fixed range volume, right? Your point of control. So yeah, but let's give it some time. We're still hanging around, guys. There's still a lot of time for us to make decisions there. But yeah, I'm bullish on WTI, bullish also on NAS 100 only. Remember, NAS 100 only if I break above this level here at 20,174. Tamba is saying going short on BTC. What time frame, my friend? What time frame are you looking at to go short there? Please let us know there, my friend. Again, according to the COT data, we saw hedge funds and money managers still piling up their their buying orders there on WTI as well as gold. Master Royal saying they have to close the pump for the week. Most traders are in a buy position. Yeah, even the sentiment shows that we have a lot of retail traders buying buying euro dollar and British pound USD. Iman is saying DAX selling to 22,223. Yeah, that's quite steep there, money. Michelle is saying, bro, you didn't answer the question if you were in LTA concepts. No, my friend. I know who you're talking about. You're talking about Lorenzo. No. No, I was not. A lot of people actually say that. It's one thing that I have in common with Lorenzo is he trades speculative trading. I do that, which is I like knowing what the big guys are doing, right? Non-commercial companies. He likes using the fixed range volume. I use it as well. But our trading is different. It's not really the same. It's not really the same, right? And I don't think he's streaming anymore. I don't think, is he still streaming? Is Lorenzo still streaming? So yeah, I don't trade the LTA concept. However, me and him, we look at the same things as far as order flow management is concerned. My trading is just simple, man. Just simple trading. Not even complicated at all. Leo is saying break-even week on a British pound. Japanese was flying last week, trading one pair with 9 setups. Like I told you guys, I told you when the year started, I told you don't mess around with Japanese yen. You're gonna find Japanese yen a bit strong. But intraday setups, you might find some good opportunities there for you to either buy it or sell it, right? But yeah, Michelle is saying, y'all are really good with the charts, no lie. Thank you, my friend. We try our best to be as good as we can be. So he's saying, yeah, he has not been streaming. Yeah, I don't know why he has not been streaming for some time. What I know is that, and I can't say, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna tell you guys this in confidence. What I know is that there are a group of people that have formed, I don't know how to call it, a quorum to attack this live stream. But you cannot stop the moving train, man. We are trying our best. We don't bother anyone. We are just doing what we need to do. We're trying to help as many people as possible, right? That's why when somebody comes on the stream here, I don't even entertain them anymore. I just block them same time, because someone told me that there is a broker that is fighting the broker that we are using, and they have a group of guys to attack this live stream. All the best. Bring it on. We will never bother anyone. We do what we do. Right, are we having a commitment at 22,998? Yeah, I think so. If you look at 5 minutes chart, the only thing is that this level there has already been reached. Like I said, we can find a trap at 23,000 or so, and possibly go back to 23,100, and we can see if we can drop. Okay, did we have a good week? I think so. Though today we have one win, one break even, but it was a good Friday. It was a good Friday. Can't really complain about today's performance, though we don't have anything as yet. Like I said, I'm still marking this. Let me put an alert here and make decisions from there. Google is saying I'm here to recitate my account that's in ICU. Let's do it, my friend. We are with you. We are crying with you. we will support you and see how we can help you. Your account is in ICU. We also see you. Metallic is saying you can't stop the choppers. Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. Let them bring it on. I'm just gonna do what I do, man. I didn't be where I am by bothering people in life. I just mind my own business, man. I just mind my my business. If you have a problem with me, it's fine, but just mind my business. We don't bother anyone. Someone is coming on our live stream. He's saying, go check out this live stream. What are you doing in hours? If that live stream you are recommending is working, why are you in hours commenting? Yeah, but it's fine, man. I know the assignment of destroying this live stream. I can only wish them the best. Temba is saying BTC is currently in 5 minutes channel, rejecting on the British OB entry at 90,145. Stop loss slightly above the opening high. We'll have a look at it now. Master Roll is saying a reversal happening. Yeah, man, I'm expecting that reversal. That's what I'm saying. As much as we are almost up by 1%, I think there's a lot of money here, man. That is just my opinion, how I observe the market and how I see the market. I think there's just money piling there. And market maker has to take out that money first. Sentiments are saying buy, buy, buy. And I don't like buying when everybody's buying. I don't like doing that. I like doing the opposite. Tabang is saying, yeah, this NFP was pop. Yeah, nothing much going on here. Nothing much going on here. Even on British USD, there it is. Like I said, a lot of retail traders, when they see this, they like coming in and want to make a new high. And that's why I always tell you guys on the stream that sometimes you just need to practice that patience, and let's not fall for this. These are traps, man. These are traps, right? So that's why I'm saying I'm still anticipating a strong dollar at this point. I'm not gonna be fooled by this. Bezeno is saying, hi, can you tell me on what time frame do you take your entries? Right, so I like 15 minutes time frame, but when it comes to crypto, especially Bitcoin, I like taking it on 4 hours. Jesus said, Mr. President, we solid here. Nothing will stop us. We are choppers at heart. Yes, my friend. So I said, let them bring it on. Mukela is saying, consistency is the only currency that matters. After all, motivation fades, only consistent remain. Some people think that what we do is very easy, that we can do 10x better. Well, good luck to them. It's always the case, my friend, you know. I don't know how many people are tagged me about this text video that I did about SARS, and I'm inviting the very same people who are tagged me. Okay, guys, let's have a seminar. I'm inviting you guys. The information that you have, please share it. Dololo, they can't. They go. They run. So is it really you with information, or is it really you trying to be relevant in the industry? So I agree with you there, Mukele. XMDU is saying they are against you because of the free insights. Yeah, man, we do what we do here, and a lot of people are learning as much as they can, you know. Tawang saying poacher, he's probably a rival broker's agent. Yeah, man. Brokers are at wars, but they want to be at war and put us in the war. I don't understand why. I never understand why. If you are a broker and you don't like MJ Givens' face and you don't like what he's doing with Okta, why, when MJ was coming and knocking at the door and say, guys, I want to do a live stream and I want you to help with the resources 1, 2, 3, why did you refuse? Now, when you see another broker take resources and assist the community to learn as much as they can, you want to fight. We are still at $1.08 there on euro dollar. If you are part and parcel of this live stream, you didn't fall for this, right? I'm just hoping you didn't fall for this. I hope you didn't fall for this. Even on British Pound USD, you didn't fall for this. I said we will look for buying here. We cannot buy at that high. Trap. Like I said, always have pride in your trades. Don't just take anything and don't go with what the rest of the world is doing. All right, one can ask, but Mr. President, why didn't we sell German there as you said it will? We didn't have our candlestick pattern. That's why. There was nothing there for us to bite on. Though it happened exactly how we said it's going to happen, but there was nothing for us to bite on. Let's not forget, Monday evening we are going to be on the Octas channel. We're going to be looking at crypto and learning much about crypto. For those of you who just joined us, let's just ensure that we like the stream, ladies and gentlemen. We have 97 people watching, only 81 of you liked. At this point, I'm not going to mess around with gold. Ladies and gentlemen, let's ensure that we like the stream. We've had 100 people watching the stream and only 82 of you like the stream. Let's do better there, choppers. At this point, I'm not going to mess around with gold. I'm not going to do that because, like I said, we are just ranging between $2,925 an ounce and $2,897 an ounce. So I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just still watching my euro dollar, where I want to see how we react at this point. Okay, so euro still strong. Euro is still strong. Dollar still a bit, not even a bit. Dollar is weak, no, but not really. I think dollar is neutral because it's finding strength against AUD. It's also finding strength against New Zealand and Canadian. British pound also neutral. New Zealand dollar weak. Obviously, it likes being weak. It likes following what AUD will be doing. Japanese strong. Chinese yuan are strong as well for the day. Like I said, I'm not gonna mess around with gold today. I'm not gonna mess around with gold today. Okay, for those of you that say, President, we hear you about not trying to buy a euro dollar at this point. Where can we sell it? Let's wait to see if we break below. You see where I have my alert. I have my alert here at $1.08.42, right? This is where I have my alert. So what we need to do is to see if we can break below it, because if we are going to sell it now, it's too risky. It's too risky. Chances are stop losses of those who committed, like I said, they want to take out the stop losses. Maybe they're taking out by spread depending on their books and their numbers, right? But the safest way, you have to be below it. You just have to be below it. You can't sell it at this point, because if stop losses have already been taken out, then we can have a new high. So break below this alert here. I hope that makes sense. Still up by 0.73%. Ladies and gentlemen, we need 100 likes today. 97 people have liked the stream. We need another like. Let's get 3 people to like the stream. Fed Power speaks at 7:30 Central African time, so it's going to be obviously in the evening. During that time, definitely I'm not gonna be on the charts, but yeah, it will be interesting to see what will be happening at that point. So yeah, Paul, let him speak. And we can always take it from there. We're finding a bit of rejection coming in there on the euro dollar. Man, I think this thing has lost its juice. Let's say British pound. Still. Trying to see where I can jump on this WTI. Master Royal saying when DXY goes up, the pairs will use a code that will drop. That's a perfect fraction. Disparity there. That's true, my friend. Mohau is saying euro dollar rejected at my weekly premium zone with the fair value gap from the daily nested in the premium zone. Might go short after MSS and boss to the downside. Temper saying I usually chop WTI vandaag. Temper I need a nga kelwa campaigning ngale. Hey. Temba, I cannot read that, my friend. Please translate that for me. Right, so he's saying looking to buy at $66.57 a barrel there on WTI. Withdrawal guy is saying Powell is speaking later and Trump after, so it's going to be a busy day. Yeah, I think during that time we might have something going on, eh? Yeah, but NFP was weak today, man. Nothing going on there. It was a pop NFP. But yeah, we are just grateful that we were here to witness it and learn something. At least we witnessed it. How is it going there for you, KG, on Bitcoin? I know you have a buy there. Look at our German. Like I told you guys, German, once it reaches a certain, or once it takes a certain direction for the day, it's lolo, my friend. Cannot catch this thing. Yeah, we could have caught it here at 23,000, but still no rejection candle for our liking. NAS 100, I guess by now it has not passed our level where we said we want to buy. So yeah, remember I said we can only buy if we are above this level. As long as we are below, nothing is happening. KG is saying, Mr. President, euro dollar is at a very strong level at $1.8510. $1.8510. See what you mean. I see what you mean. Lame Rapo saying lame, can you please let us know if you are part of those people who blown accounts? They say nothing was going on but accounts blown. If you were part of this stream during NFP, no account should be blown, my friend. Did you blow your account, or maybe you have a trading partner that you are trading with, or you saw somewhere on social media people blowing accounts? Yeah, so as much as it was not I mean, let's look at this NFP. We're looking at 39 40 pips or so. Not really much. I mean, yeah, but for someone who's going to over leverage, they can blow an account with 40 pips, definitely. But the way in which we trade here, that's not movement that we usually anticipate and appreciate. We want impulse correction, impulse ABC pattern. Hamilton is asking, what is the indicator? I'm sure he's asking about this here. This is not an indicator. It is a tool that is called fixed range volume. For those who just joined us, just like the stream, Satela. Should we have a session on Sunday like we did on this previous Sunday? A lot of people, man, were happy with that because we managed to get a lot of trades. We managed to get them spot on because we analyzed together on Sunday evening. If you want us to have the session again or this coming Sunday to stream live 8 p.m., let's see if we can have 15 people. Let me say 20. Let me challenge you guys and say 20 people that will say yes. We are going to stream this coming Sunday again, where we do backtesting Q&A as well as outlook for the new coming week. Let me see there on the comments. Just say yes if you want us to stream this Sunday. Guys, I work for you. I always ask you what you want me to do. I give you what you guys want. So comment with a yes, then it shall happen. 20 of you. One, two. Caleb, I'm gonna take that as a yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. It stopped on 16. Yeah. 17, 18, 19. Is it 20? One last two, then we're doing it. WTI up by 2%. It's ready now, this thing to fly, man. It's ready now, this thing to fly. Lexi is asking, what am I counting? I missed the question. So I was asking if we can have 20 people to say yes to the live stream on Sunday evening. We do Outlook together. Kinosi, you are voting again, my friend. Kinosi is voting again. Kinosi, are you having any relationship with the African National Congress? I'm joking, guys. Hey. Hey, some of these votes, man, you would ask yourself, really, are we having one person voting? Yeah, it's gonna be here on the same channel, Google, the same channel. What you do, 8 o'clock, you just ensure that you are here. We will be here. And the minute you like, also hit the notification bell. What's nice about YouTube, it will notify you that MJ is live. Still euro dollar finding support at that level there, but still not much going on. One would ask me, Mr. President, at this point when the market is doing this, not much going on. We are having consolidation happening on gold. Even euro dollar, this will be consolidation. Nothing is going on here. I mean, if you put a box here, we are still consolidating. Nothing's going on. British pound USD, still nothing's going on at this point. So, yeah. One would ask, Mr. President, what do we do? Tabang is saying, man, I'm starting to love this German. Tabang, all I'm going to say, my friend, let me give you a homework, Tabang. Eh? Check out German 30, German 40, whatever you want to call it. Ne? And check out WTI. Just play around with these things on Sunday, man. Or this weekend. You'll thank me later. You'll thank me later. German, man, when it moves one direction for the day, it moves. Or for the session, right? You just need to catch it at the right place. This thing moves nicely. Nicely so. Relaxing is asking where can we find our TP on WTI. It all depends on the entry, my friend, but I would say this level here, $67.65 a barrel, that's where you should take your TP, my friend. Choppers, I cannot thank you guys for coming through once again. We are here Sunday, right? We are here Sunday at 8 p.m. Central African Time, South African Standard Time. We are here, right? So ensure that you tune in and you learn as much as you can, right? So I'll see you guys on Sunday. And I'm expecting you guys to have maybe some questions. If you don't have a question, it's also fine. But yeah, let's ensure that Sunday we are here and we are analyzing this market together. Then we'll have an overall direction of what we're gonna do for the week. I mean, euro dollar, we caught euro dollar, British pound USD. From Sunday we said we're gonna look for buying opportunities at certain prices. We're gonna look for short-term selling opportunities. Then overall buy orders to the upside. It happened. Bitcoin, we said we are going to buy Bitcoin for the week. It happened. NAS 100, same thing. So it's always better when we are together to analyze this market. Then yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on Sunday. If you haven't liked the stream, just ensure that you like the stream there. From your president, all I can say is I'm out. I'll see you Sunday.